Chilies, onions, and tomatoes are softened. This is then blended with garlic and other spices. Chicken is then seared with salt and pepper, and the prepared sauce is poured over the chicken and cooked low and slow to develop that rich, smoky gravy. Let's start with the adobo sauce. In a pot, I'm going to add 1 cup of onion and 1 cup of tomato. No need to chop these fine. Next, I'm going to add some chilies. I'm going to add 6 Guajillo chilies. Just remove the stem. 1 Ancho chili, and look at the size of this. This Ancho chili is huge. It's a dried poblano. I will also add 6 chili de Arbol. Add water and cover everything and boil this for about 20 minutes till the chilies are nice and plump. Allow this to cool. When this is cool, transfer the solids to a food processor. Add 8 cloves of garlic, and now I'm going to add 1 tablespoon of coriander seeds, 1 tablespoon of cumin seeds, 1 teaspoon of black peppercorns, 1 tablespoon of Mexican oregano, 1 tablespoon of cinnamon powder, 1 teaspoon of fresh thyme. I'm only using fresh thyme since I have it. You can use dried thyme if you like, or you can double up on the oregano. I'm also going to add 1 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of ginger powder, and 2 tablespoons of salt. Add in 2 bay leaves, 2 tablespoons of vinegar, and 3 cups of chicken stock. Blend this to a paste. This can be made ahead and stored in the fridge or freezer. For the chicken, I have 2 pounds here. This is bone-in chicken thigh. I've just taken the skin off. You can leave it on if you like. And I'm just going to sear it in the pan with some salt and pepper. I'm just looking for a nice little golden color on both sides, and then I'm going to add in all of that delicious sauce, and I'm going to put a lid on it. All you have to do now is cook this on a medium heat for about 60 minutes so the chicken is nice and tender and the gravy is thick, dark, and full of flavor. Once ready, you can serve this with rice. You can also shred the meat and use it in tacos. Enjoy.